Dear students, today I will teach you something very special, how to come out with flying colors in examination. As you know, in examinations, we need well preparation and the techniques of how to write perfectly, correctly and judiciously in the examination. So, as you know, sometimes what happens, we get a distraction in the examination hall. It may be before one day or in the same day also. So, I need to tell you that whenever you are going to the examination hall, before going into the class, you just have confidence in you, build concentration, then you'll have conquest or victory. So sit and take deep inhalation for 10 to 15 minutes, 50 seconds. Then you sit and be confident that you will do better in the examination hall because you are well prepared and the seat is meant for you. So confidence is necessary. Apart from preparation, you need confidence that I can do. As you know, that's 3 words. I can do 3 words are the most powerful words that bring you success in life. So, let's come to the board and see. Be into 3 Cs. 3 Cs. 1 C, confidence, build confidence, then concentration, then conquest. 3 Cs are essentially necessary for having conquest in the examination. Then the 3 Rs. 1 R, that is read, revise, then reinforce. So I'm teaching you something. When you get your answer sheet, you just look at it, and after 5 minutes, 7 minutes, or maybe 10 minutes, you get the question paper, read it very judiciously with all concentration, and in case of any difficult questions, don't halt there, don't be distracted. And when you are going to start answering the questions, you feel the number 1, your answer sheet, on its right side, your question paper, and on its right, an imaginary rule sheet. That means rule is there. Suppose I am telling you, somewhere it is written, I, in the question paper, I as well as you dash going within brackets am is here. So you feel that is an answer sheet, that is a rule sheet, just at the right side of your papers, and as you know, that is AWO, as well as W for who, with, O for of. You feel that is, suppose I is there, here is you, before as well as your I is there, so it will be am. So if it is I is here, it will be am. If it is I is here, it will be am. If it is he, it will be is. It will be one, it is also is. One of the boys, before of there is one of the boys is. Each of the boys is, something like that. You remember this formula, that is AWO. A stands for as well as, W for who, with, and of. Any word that comes before these 4 words will take verbs after it accordingly, as I have cited one example. And another thing is that 1 is equal to 0, 0 is equal to 1, S is equal to 1, your minus S is equal to 0. Suppose boys is there, within bracket go and goes. Your S is equal to 1, that will take S is equal to 1, your S is equal to 0, minus is 0, minus is equal to 1. So S is here, S is equal to 1. So 0 means this is 0, this is 1, because S is there, this is minus S. So you put it here, go. If it is boy, that is 0, 0 is equal to 1. So if it is boy, it will take S. So boy goes, boys go. So you write it down, practice, build confidence, And I'm teaching something very interesting after this. You write it down. Let's learn other examples. That is A, B, B. After, before, by the time, whenever you find these three expressions, you have to use it in past perfect. Ideas before he came, your before is there, option is there, went and had gone. So you use it here. Rule of elimination. Rule of elimination. So eliminate which one is not applicable. This is not applicable because before is there. You have to use it in past perfect tense. So this is correct. Suppose I am telling you another ALYY formula that is ago, last year and yesterday. You have to use it simple past. Suppose here it is written I dash yesterday did had gone use rule of elimination. So in case of yesterday you have to use did, so you just eliminate it. So did is there. And another thing I am telling you, he dash for an hour or since morning. Whenever you find for and since, these two prepositions, you have to use it in, suppose swim is there, you have to use it in present perfect continuous. So, he has been swimming. Suppose I dash here for an hour, for is there within brackets B, that is I have been here for an hour. He dash since evening within bracket play, he has been playing. Something like that. So you just remember these lines, that is AWO, first one I have already taught you, that is as well as, who, with, and, of. Before the words used there will take the verb accordingly. One of the boys is before, one of the one of, that is one is there. And then comes your ABB, that LLY, 1 is equal to 0, 0 is equal to 1. You just write them down and practice, and you see the miraculous effects that you will have in the examination, and I'm sure that will come out with successful with flying colors. So first 3 C's, confidence, concentration and conquest. The 3 R's, read, revise and reinforce. And last but not the least, to think that I am the one that I can secure the highest mark to the satisfaction of my teachers and parents, and I will be an example to other students. So, if you like this, share and subscribe. Muchas gracias. Happy examination.